guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I am Dr. Kunjal Kabade and I make different kinds of videos. Currently, this is an Ahmedabad vlog. This is the part 2. Me and my mom, we have come to Kakaria Lake right behind me. And there's my mom. So here you have to show your vaccination certificate, then only you'll get the ticket and the entry. Gate number 3 for Kakaria Lake. There are total of 7 gates, but only I guess 3 of them are open right now. You have to show your vaccination certificate for taking ticket. For adults it is rupees 10 and for children it is rupees 5. Hi Ma. We have now come to Kamla Nehru Zoological Garden in Kakaria, or very famously known the Kakaria Zoo. The ticket for adults is rupees 50 and for children is rupees 20. This is the entrance. This is the layout map of the zoo. This is the elephant cage. Look how beautiful he is. He's eating lunch. This is a beautiful white tigress, if you can see from here. The white tigress is roaming in her bigger cage. She looks so magnificent and so beautiful. I just love tigers. They are my favorite animals, to be honest. I have seen normal Bengal tigers in wild, but this albino or the white tiger or tigress for the first time. She is drinking water. She looks so beautiful. I am not sure how much you guys are able to see. This is probably blur because I'm shooting on a phone. I don't have my camera right now. But it's so beautiful. So peaceful to watch. I've seen all this in wild, but zoos are fascinating. It's heartbreaking to see animals in a cage, but it's still beautiful because their beauty doesn't die.
To see you, hello.
She's coming to see me. Hello. My mom says like that. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. Such a magnificent and beautiful animal. In this cage there is a leopard named Praveen. You maybe can't see it. He's sleeping over the upper deck there. This cage a Bengal tiger is sleeping. You probably can't see him because it is so camouflaged. He's there. Indian porcupines, they are all sleeping. They are given food there. Some of them are down. Jackal cage. There are 2 of them. I have seen all this in wild. This open cage like thing is for the Himalayan black bear. There, if you can see a black thing, there is the bear. Red deer, there is an albino deer. I have seen all of these except the albino ones in the wild. They look so cute and beautiful. Lunchtime, so all of the deers are going to that one place where the grass is being. They lay the grass over there and then they open the door so that all the deers can come and eat the grass. So and they close this main door. So the spotted deers are eating their feed. These are Nilgai or the blue bulls. I have seen even these in the wild, and they are much bluer in the wild. See how they are coming out. That one got scared because of my mama. They are all females. The males are kept in a different compartment. This is a male Nilgai. See, he has small horns, and also the color is much dense than the female ones. This one and only alone emu bird. These are the magnificent hippopotamus. Two of them, they are having their lunch right now. And this is how their habitat looks like here. This is a leopard named Sunny. I have seen leopards in wild so closely. It is heartbreaking to watch like this, but it's still fascinating. He's so beautiful. You can't see properly because of the cage, but I can see with my eyes. He's so beautiful. Beautiful, and a big lioness. Look at her massive beauty. Hello, beautiful. This gigantic Asian lion, his name is Amber. He's really very beautiful. You guys can't properly see because of the cage, but I can see, and he's so beautiful. They have come out now. It's their lunch time. They'll be moving around in a bigger habitat. So massive and beautiful. The lion is lying down. The lioness is moving around. This is a more opener habitat for them. I have even seen Asiatic lions and lionesses in wild in Sasangir. You guys can see there are two saltwater or estuarian crocodiles. Even here is a crocodile. My mom says I look like that only. There are two. There's one in the water. These two can be seen more properly here. Reptile house, and this is the entry of the reptile house. These are Indian star tortoise. This is their habitat. There is the common Indian monitor. This is their habitat, and there they are in the water. Three of them. We have common Indian trinket snake. There on the pot, the snake is there. Indian rat snake. Here it is. For green anaconda. It is a non-venomous snake. It is sitting inside the water. The habitat of spectacled cobra is a venomous snake. It is sitting up over there. And one of them is there behind. A spectacled cobra. Anaconda, here two of them are there. These are smaller than the earlier one. Habitat for Indian rock python. And the beauty is sitting over there at the back. Python.
झाड़ू पर चढ़े तो झाड़ू पर चढ़े दो झाड़ू पर चढ़े दो
Three of them. Oh, look at here, even more are there.
दूसरा भी चढ़ा है उसके पीछे पीछे.
This is the habitat of common Indian crate. There is a beautiful snake, and he has taken out his skin, which we can see the other side. The habitat for Russell's viper. You can see few of them there. Then one of them is there. He's moving. This is the habitat for common sand boa, and there is that cutie pie snake, and one of them is there. It's not that clear. Habitat, a big one for the Indian rock python, and here is the snake. Such a big and massive snake. His ambience is so big. He is alone in the habitat. For checkered needleback snake, and the snake is sitting here. Yes. The habitat of rosy pelicans, so beautiful. And in this habitat we have spoonbills, night herons, painted strokes, and also white ibis. As the picture is not that clear, I can't identify and tell you guys, even though I know, because I have seen everything of this in the wild. Habitat of a bird named cassowary. It is an Australian bird. It is so beautiful. Only one bird is there. The habitat of lovebirds. There are so many inside. They are chirping so much. You can't probably see. Pigeons. They are playing around, so beautiful. Upstairs also a few are there. Monkey section. There are so many different types of monkeys here. There are langurs running around. This is macaw. There are many more inside. Net macaques. Here is the zoo hospital building. Squirrels are having fun over the fruits that are fed to the zoo animals. This is the nocturnal zoo in Kakaria Lake. The entry. Here you can use the previous ticket only. Would you like to tell us what did you see in the nocturnal zoo? Leopard, active leopard, and the owls, the snake, and many more which are seen in the night. And it was really a great experience for the first time. I saw it for the first time. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Here is the butterfly park. Here different models of different kinds of butterflies are kept, and the information regarding those different species of butterflies is given inside this park. Another gate of Kakaria Lake, and we are going to exit from here now. So bye to Kakaria Lake. See you soon.